4 common email marketing mistakes to avoid. According to HubSpot, 64% of small businesses use email marketing to reach their customers. Are your email marketing strategies driving your desired results? If not, then you might be doing it wrong. But the good news is, we've all been there, from ineffective typos to broken links, making mistakes in our email marketing campaigns. In this video, we will discover the 4 common email marketing mistakes you are making and how you can avoid them. While creating an email, the first thing that matters is the subject line. Do you open an email if the subject is not catchy? You don't, right? So most people do the same. Using unattractive subjects makes you more likely to be ignored by customers. Ignoring mobile users is another common mistake while launching a campaign. Most people use mobile phones to check emails rather than desktops. If your emails are not device-friendly, the chances are that customers will pass over them. Businesses don't just send emails without any purpose. Sending purposeful emails without adding a CTA button or having a broken link that shows an error will waste all your efforts. Sending the same emails to all the clients is another blow. Not all the customers are interested in the same content. To avoid these mistakes, write a good and attractive subject line to get a click. Don't forget to add a CTA button with a link to your desired landing page. Also segment your subscribers based on their age, interest, browsing behavior, language, and location. Above all, use a device-friendly template to keep things smooth on mobiles as well. Before launching a campaign, first send the test email to ensure everything is all right. Lastly, track the performance of your campaign to get effective results. For amazing email marketing services, visit whoopit.co.uk. Keep your brand's name alive in the market. Now is the time to improve your email marketing campaign to get the results you want.